Hi there. I'm a new YouTuber, just like many of you watching. Over the past few weeks, I've watched a zillion videos about making faceless YouTube channels work. And while it's true that faceless channels face more challenges to monetize compared to those with faces, I've uncovered some essential points that every aspiring faceless creator must follow. Stick around because I'll be sharing practical solutions to make your channel thrive. Here's the reality: faceless YouTube channels often struggle to connect with audiences because there's no visible personality to build trust. This makes it harder to attract views, increase watch time, and eventually monetize. But don't lose hope, there are proven strategies to overcome these challenges. I have heard a lot of videos showing some tricks and tips to increase views. Trust me, I have tried those tips and tricks and found that there is no shortcut. It all depends upon three main points which I am going to share here. First and foremost, SEO is your best friend. Start with a clear and engaging idea. Your video title should be intriguing, descriptive, and keyword-rich. The description must summarize your content and include relevant keywords to help your video rank better in search results. Your thumbnail is your first impression. A good thumbnail should be bright, visually appealing, and include a few words summarizing your video. Use tools like Canva or Photoshop to design professional-looking thumbnails. Consistency is key. Upload regularly to build momentum and keep your audience engaged. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Patience and perseverance are your greatest allies. Every successful YouTuber started small. Keep going, even when the views are low. Faceless YouTube channels may have a steeper climb, but success is achievable with the right strategies. Focus on SEO, create irresistible thumbnails, and stay consistent. If I can start this journey, so can you. Let's build our channels together,